Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's time to start the work week. We're gonna zip on in here to DC. We're gonna go see what the damage was of the parade. And it would just so happen to be as soon as I get ready to go to work, it starts raining. It hasn't rained all day. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. I haven't rode the bike all weekend because it's been just pouring down rain. It's supposed to rain all this week. I wanted to try to get just a quick ride into work. I'll probably drive the car the rest of the week, but they just redid this road. They did a really nice job on it. All that means is Johnny Law will be coming. Look at these flowers. These are really pretty. I think those are wild irises or something, or I can't remember. My wife told me what they were. Let those tabs sing, baby. Think they can hear me coming? Well, Lucy's angry. She hadn't been ridden in a while. I'm sorry, Lucy. She's awful throaty today. Now it's really raining. It's gonna be a wet ride to work today, boys and girls. It'll be all fine. Not made out of sugar, I guess. Oh yeah, we're gonna get soaked today. Just my luck. I took all my rain gear off my bike. Oh, oh. These are big raindrops. They actually fucking hurt too. Please be it. Hopefully that was the worst of it. Those big ass raindrops hurt at speed. There was just that one little section raining. We'll take it. Ooh. Didn't expect that. My designated motorcycle parking that I designated myself. Let's get the hell out of here before this rain comes back. Got my blue Dixon flannel on, looking good. I'm feeling good. Got a haircut this weekend. 3-day work week this week. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. This video will be up after Father's Day, but still. Hopefully they don't have DC all still blocked up and shit. I hope all the road closures and stuff are over with. I didn't check the maps. Probably should have. But we didn't do that. This is that dumb shit. This is too much traffic for on a Sunday. Especially at this time. This is why I gotta leave fucking 2 hours early to go 26 miles. Trying to get to work, at least off the freeway before that rain hits. The rain hurts. Even with a long sleeve shirt on and pants, it was still steamy. My exhaust is extra loud today. I don't know if it's like, maybe it just finally got broken in, but it seems extra loud today. I mean, I've had it on since the bike was basically new. I think I put it on with less than 2,000 miles. I have to go back and look. But she's extra rowdy today. I've tried to do this video a couple of times, and we're gonna nail it today. We're gonna count all the traffic cameras on this one road right after you get past this intersection. You tell me how many speed cameras you think is too many on one road. I know a lot of y'all say one, but I mean, you can deal with one, right? Wait till you see this shit. So they start here. So that's one. Right? Well, they removed two of them. Hey, maybe they, oh, nope. There's two. There used to be one right there. Oh, there's three. And there's four. At least we know how they're paying for this road. So there's four just on this one little road now. There used to be 7. But still, I think 4 is unacceptable. Like, put one each direction. Do you really need 4 cameras in that little span, a little stretch? Oh. All the bars are closed? Sounded like a spaceship. The good old Capitol. Your little tunnel rippy. Tunnel rippy. Garage rippy. Gotta let them know I'm back. Back, baby. All right, you beautiful people. Hope you enjoyed the ride in. I'm gonna start doing more of these outros instead of just cutting the video off. Trying to be a little bit more professional with it. So just give me a little bit of time to learn. I appreciate it. Hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the morning. Good night.